While you're asleep right now, someone is making money without lifting a single finger. It's not a scam. It's not an app. It's a machine. A metal machine they bought once, placed in a corner, and that, at this very hour of the night, is collecting money all by itself. Think about it for a second. You turn off the lights, close your eyes, and that machine keeps working, collecting money, adding more. No salary, no vacations, no complaints. Right now, there are 12 machines that do exactly that. You're about to see every single one of them, from the cheapest to the most expensive. Some cost less than a pair of shoes. And one of them, the one I'm saving for the very end, doesn't sell gum or coffee. It hands out cash. Yes, real cash. But before we get there, you first need to understand why most people make the wrong choice starting with the very first machine. Let's start from the bottom, with the cheapest one of them all. Machine 1, Gumball. Machine, $40. That's what the most humble machine on this list costs. It's that classic glass globe filled with gumballs you've seen 1,000 times at the entrance of a grocery store and never paid any attention to. And that's exactly where the mistake is. Because that thing that looks like a toy has no motor, no wires, and doesn't use electricity. It runs purely on gravity. The kid inserts the coin, turns the knob, and the gumball drops. Listen to this carefully. It doesn't break down. There's nothing that can burn out, jam, or fail. You buy it for $40 from a place like Amazon, or for $80 to $140 if you import it wholesale, and that machine can outlive you. That's why business accounts on social media are full of videos of people refilling these little machines. Cheap, indestructible, invisible. But, and here's the catch, one machine by itself barely makes any money. The secret isn't owning one, it's owning 20. And if you enjoy learning the kinds of things nobody else tells you, subscribe now. Because Successful Entrepreneur is all about finding these opportunities that most people completely overlook. Machine 2, a gotcha capsule machine. Now let's move up one level, $150 to $300. It's the cousin of the previous one, but with a much sneakier psychological trick. Instead of dispensing a gumball, it drops a capsule, and inside that capsule is a toy, but you don't know which one until you open it. That tiny detail changes everything. Because the customer isn't paying for the toy, they're paying for the thrill of not knowing. It's the same little rush you feel when you scratch off a lottery ticket. You put another coin in, not because of the prize, but because you want to find out what you got. The surprise sells better than the product. Remember that, because that idea is going to show up again later on this list, and when it does, you'll understand why it's so powerful. Machine 3, Mini Claw Machine. How many times have you lost money trying to grab a stuffed animal with a claw machine that seemed to have a personal grudge against you? That frustration has an owner, and that owner makes money every time you fail. A countertop mini claw machine costs between $208 and $375. The large ones you see in shopping malls range from $2,500 to $7,000, but the tabletop version starts at the lower end. The brilliant part from a business perspective is that it sells an illusion. The illusion that, this time I'll get it. That's called the near-miss effect. You almost had it, the stuffed animal slipped away at the very last second, and your brain screams at you to try again. So the claw machine isn't selling stuffed animals, it's selling second attempts, and those second attempts are pure profit. Machine 4, Snack and Beverage Vending Machine. Now let's talk about the boring one, the ordinary one, the one that sells chips and soda. I know what you're thinking, how unoriginal, and you're right. But let me give you a number. There are operators who report making anywhere from $300 to $1,500 a month from just one of these machines, depending on where they place it. It costs between $435 and $2,000. It's not glamorous. Nobody is going to make a viral video about refilling a snack vending machine, but it's the workhorse of the business, the one that pays the bills while the others experiment. Sometimes the boring option is exactly the one that works. Now, everything I've told you so far sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it? Cheap machines, no effort, easy money. This is where I have to be honest with you, because what comes next is the trap that most people fall into. Machine 5, Automatic Cotton Candy Machine. It's 11 o'clock at night. The fair is over. Everyone has gone home. And this machine, it has to be cleaned. Again, the Automatic Cotton Candy Machine is a beautiful little trickster. One operator reported making $1,200 in a single month with just one machine placed inside a bowling alley. Numbers that outperform the boring snack vending machine. It sounds perfect. But here's the fine print. The sugar sticks. It crystallizes. It gets into every corner of the spinning bowl. And if you don't clean it regularly, it stops working. So this machine doesn't work completely on its own. It wakes you up. It demands your attention. Yes, it makes good money, but it does so in exchange for your time. And that's not the kind of deal we're looking for in this video. Tell me something in the comments. Would you rather have a machine that makes more money but requires your time, or one that makes less money but never bothers you? I can't wait to read your answer. Machine 6. Automatic coffee machine. Coffee is a habit, and a habit is the best customer in the world because it comes back every single day without you having to ask. A countertop instant coffee machine starts out incredibly affordable, costing between $148 and $225. The better ones, the bean-to-cup models with touchscreens, range from $750 to $1,450. And people pay for their morning cup of coffee whether it's raining, storming, or the ground is shaking. But once again, it's the same trap as the previous machine. You have to restock the supplies. You have to clean it so the coffee doesn't start tasting strange. It's a beautiful business, but it still demands your attention. We're getting close to truly passive income, but we're not there yet. For that, the next machine takes a huge leap forward. Machine 7. Self-service purified water. Vending machine. This machine sells something that literally falls from the sky for free. A self-service purified water vending machine starts at around $500. The customer arrives with an empty water jug, places it under the dispenser, pays by the gallon or liter, and leaves. The water is filtered inside the machine itself. Do you know what's beautiful about it? There's almost no inventory to restock. You don't buy products, you don't haul heavy boxes, and you don't have to refill anything. The water comes through the pipes, the machine purifies it, the customer pays for it. And you're not even there. Now this is starting to look a lot like the dream I promised you at the beginning. Keep this one in mind, because it's one of the 3 finalists in this video. Machine 8. Self-service ice vending machine. What if I told you that you could sell frozen water for more than the water itself cost you? A self-service ice vending machine does exactly that. It takes filtered water, freezes it inside the machine, and dispenses it into bags. The basic models start at around $509. The large commercial models range from $7,000 to $15,000. And there are third-party operators reporting monthly earnings of between $1,500 and $4,500, with the initial investment recovered in as little as 3 to 6 months if the location is good. The catch is that it uses a lot of electricity and requires proper maintenance of its cooling system. So, in the right location, it's a goldmine. In the wrong location, it's an electric bill with legs. It sits right on the line between the machines that truly work on their own and the ones that don't. It all depends on where you place it. And we actually made an entire video about this specific machine, explaining step by step how the ice vending business works behind the scenes. If you want to dive deeper into it, I'll leave it right up here, in the cards at the top corner of the video. Be sure to watch it when you finish this one. Machine 9. Mystery box vending machine. Remember what I told you back at machine number 2? That the surprise sells better than the product. Welcome to the grown-up version of that idea. The mystery box vending machine, the famous blind box, is one of the fastest-growing vending businesses today. These are mid-range to high-end models with touchscreen displays and large storage capacity. The customer pays without knowing which collectible figure they're going to get. And because they don't know, they come back again and again, chasing the one they're still missing. It's collecting, adrenaline, and chance all packed into a single metal box, a business built entirely around the human desire to discover what's inside. And the best part, once it's stocked, it collects money all by itself. If you've made it this far, you're already one of the few people who actually watch the entire video, and that says a lot about you. Subscribe so the algorithm keeps bringing you ideas like these. Machine 10. Coin-operated massage chair. This machine charges people to relax while you're relaxing. The coin-operated massage chair is a mid to high-end machine. The good models are 3D, 4D, and zero gravity, the kind that need your entire back. They're placed in shopping malls, airports, and gyms, places where people are tired, waiting around, have a few spare minutes, and just want to sit down. The customer inserts a coin, relaxes for 10 minutes, and you didn't have to do absolutely anything. You didn't even touch the machine. It gets cleaned quickly and keeps going. Now we're entering the territory of machines that truly don't need you. And now, only the 2 most expensive ones remain. And they're also the most impressive. Machine 11. A TM. Every machine on this list sells something. Gumballs, coffee, ice, surprises. Every one of them except this one. This machine doesn't sell anything. This machine hands out money. And even so, it makes money. Let me introduce you to the ATM. The same one you use to withdraw cash. What almost nobody knows is that an ordinary person can buy one. On a site like Alibaba, the machine itself costs between $100 and $3,000. Not millions, hundreds. And how does it make money if all it does is hand out cash? Through transaction fees. Every time someone makes a withdrawal, the machine charges a fee of $2 to $3. That's it. But multiply that. A well-located ATM processes between 150 and 300 withdrawals per month. That leaves a net profit of between $250 and $450 a month. And the ones in high-traffic locations make well over 800. Now, do the math with me. 3 ATMs in 3 great locations working 24 hours a day, without you being there. The provider handles almost all of the heavy maintenance. Your job is simply to choose the right location. This is the machine I promised you in the very first second of this video, the one that hands out cash while you're asleep. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, you're lying in bed, and someone just withdrew cash from your ATM. That transaction fee, that money, came in while you were dreaming. That, and nothing else, is what a machine that works while you sleep really looks like. Machine 12, electric vehicle charging station. And the last one doesn't charge people, it charges the future. An electric vehicle charger is a bet on what's coming next. And pay close attention to this because almost nobody explains it correctly. The equipment itself is much cheaper than you think. A wall-mounted Level 2 AC charger costs between $153 and $347. A fast DC charger ranges from $1,600 to $2,300. Now, let me be completely honest with you, because on Successful Entrepreneur, we don't sell false promises. That's the price of the machine itself, not the price of a fully installed business. Construction work, permits, and the electrical connection, those are quoted separately, and they increase the total investment quite a bit. But the concept is pure gold. Every electric vehicle sold today is a future customer for you. You install the charger once, and it collects money every time someone plugs in their car. For years, we just went through 12 machines, from a $40 Gumball dispenser to an ATM that hands out cash. And if there's one thing that should be crystal clear by now, it's this. Not every machine that promises easy money is the same. Some will wake you up in the middle of the night because they need cleaning. Others, the real ones, quietly collect money on their own while the world sleeps. The difference between an exhausted owner and a relaxed owner isn't the machine. It's knowing which one to choose. The water vending machine, the massage chair, the ATM. Those barely need you. And in the end, that was the real secret of this video. It's not about working harder. It's about putting something else to work for you. Now you know all 12, so now I want to know your move. If you had to start with just one of these machines tomorrow, which one would you choose and where would you place it? Write it down in the comments because that's where the best conversations happen. And if this video expanded your perspective even a little bit, subscribe because the next one features even more machines that work on their own and that almost nobody is paying attention to yet. You don't want to miss it. One last thing with absolutely no pressure. If you found this video valuable and you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee using the thanks button, I'd truly appreciate it. But honestly, if you simply subscribe and stick around, that's already more than enough for me.